A function can be described by the rule y equals x squared plus 4. Determine the corresponding output for each given input. We are going to evaluate these expressions or these equations when x is -3. And then we're going to do it for the rest of those as well. So, -3 squared. That's -3 times -3, which gives you a positive 9. And 9 plus 4 is 13. That is the output when the input is -3. Now we're going to move on to -2. -2 times -2 is positive 4. And then we have to add the second 4, which gives us 8. -1 times -1 is 1, and 1 plus 4 is 5. Zero times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 4 is 4. Now we're going to move on to the positives. 1 squared is 1, and 1 plus 4 is 5. Two squared is 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8. Three squared is 9, and 9 plus 4 is 13. And lastly, 4 squared is 16, and 16 plus 4 is 20.